Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole JANAE. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what I do to achieve my wash and go with a twist. These are my go-to products for the spring and summer. So if you're interested in finding out what products I use and see me apply them to my hair, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. I have all of my products here and I am ready to go. Okay, I recently just rinsed my deep conditioner out and I put my hair up in this towel. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-ins and twist my hair up. Okay, so I have a little bit of Kinky Curly left in here and I have another brand new bottle here. So let's go. Spray bottle with some water. I'm just trying to figure out where I want my part to go. It's naturally falling this way, but I'm trying to see if I want a deep part like this, or if I want to keep this over here. I'm just gonna work. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of fast forward through this part. I am just going to work the Kinky Curly Not Today and also the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate. I'm gonna mix these two leave-ins together and I'm going to twist my hair up, and then I am going to let it stay twisted for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and add my gel of choice, and this is the Mayo Pomegranate and Honey Coil Sculpting Custard. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And the reason why I love doing this wash and go with the twist situation is it gives the leave-in a chance to absorb into my hair before I go in with gel, and also it gives my twist a chance to set a little bit, and that's going to give me a very nice definition. I don't normally like to use brushes or any other styling technique when I'm doing a wash and go. So this is my signature wash and go with the twist. I will leave my original video that I recorded a couple years ago down in the description box below. It goes into details why I use this method. So I just want this video to be short and sweet. Okay guys, let's get started. I use the Kinky Curly and I use the Kinky Curly Not Today as a detangler and leave-in, and then I'm going to go in and seal all that goodness in with the Honey Hydrate. And this product actually warms up a little bit in my hands. Feels so good. Look at those curls, guys. Looks so good. Look at that. So I like to just smooth this product in. So now that it's smoothed in, I'm just going to go ahead and twist this up. And then I'll be back when I'm done twisting my entire head, because you've seen me twist my hair 1,000 times. Okay guys, so I am back and it has been about 30 minutes and I am ready to go ahead and complete the final step. I'm going to go ahead and lock in these beautiful curls with this L gel. So what I want to do is, and I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 twists. So what I want to do is go ahead and take the twist down. They are not wet. They're not actually dripping at all. So I want to go in and just lightly spritz them with water. Not too much. They still are very, very damp. And then I'm going to go in and add the gel. I've used quite a bit of this product. I've had it for a while. Let me see if I can get the camera to focus on the consistency. So that's what the gel looks like right there. I'm going to go ahead and I want to start in the back. Go ahead and clip these guys up out the way. And then this is the twist right here. Just going to go ahead and unravel it. And I'm just going to lightly spritz it with water. Lightly, because I don't want to make it too wet and ruin the twist out, but I want to make it wet enough so that the gel applies easily. And then I'm just going to take not too much gel. This is plenty. And I'm just going to warm it up in my hands. This is key. Don't just start globbing it on your hair. You definitely want to kind of warm it up in your hands like lotion, and then I just want to smooth it through my hair, and that's it. So I'm just gonna and that's literally it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here now. And I definitely want to keep the coils at the end. So as you saw, I'm literally going through and I'm smoothing my roots, but I'm just making sure just to gently tap the product through the rest of my hair, because like I said, I don't want to mess up this curl pattern that was created. And a little bit of frizz for me is okay because I have a fine texture hair, and frizz for me also equals volume. It allows me to get big hair with definition. So let me go ahead and get this finished up. This entire process literally takes like 3 minutes. Doesn't take long at all. I'm going to save this one to the end. I keep a towel because my hands get sticky from the gel. I love this continuous spray bottle. Works so well. Really want to make sure I get some gel on the roots. And I also like doing this because it prevents me from using too much gel, getting that white cast, and it also prevents my hair from being too flat. So yeah, this has just worked out perfectly for me. And I'm just making sure, like I said, that I am gently unraveling. And you can actually feel when your hair is coated with enough product, because my hair feels slippery smooth, and if it feels dry in some areas, then I'll go in and add a tiny bit more water and a tiny bit more gel. Please guys, rub it in if you try this method, because that's where I make my mistake. When I'm rushing through this product, I'll glob it in my hand and rub it in, and I'll go ahead and apply, and I'll get clumps of gel in places. It's just best when I take my time and gently smooth the product through, and this will last me all week. So let me go ahead and do this last twist. There we go. It feels sterilizing and water. These are the results. Okay guys, I am going to let my hair air dry now. I'm going to let my hair air dry overnight, and then I will be back tomorrow to show you the final results of my hair fluffed out and ready to go. I normally would probably pin this up because I don't want this in my face, but before I do that, I like to let it just kind of dry and naturally shrink up on its own. I am an air dryer, so like I said, I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and then I will be back to show you the final results in about 24 hours. Bye guys. Okay guys, so I want to quickly talk to you about the products and why I love them so much. First things first, these products are created by beautiful, powerful Black women. So I am literally obsessed with that. They are Black owned and women creators, and they work so well in my hair. They are my go-to products, and I'm literally just obsessed. So let's go ahead and get into a few details. If you have not tried these products, you have definitely been missing out. The first product is the Kinky Curly Knot Today, and this product was created by Shelly Davis. I'll insert her picture on the screen. Now this is my go-to leave-in conditioner whenever I'm styling my hair. It pairs so well with any styler, whether that be a cream or a gel. It allows my hair to detangle so easily, and it instantly adds undeniable moisture to my hair. This product alone can define my curls. Like, if the weather is not too hot, if the humidity is not too hot, I can definitely just rock this Kinky Curly Knot Today on its own, and it's just perfect. Literally, it's just perfect. Like I said, it pairs well with everything. So this is my go-to base leave-in when I'm styling my hair. Okay, the next product I went in was the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate, and this was created by Janelle Stevens. This product is amazing. I actually just started using it for the first time this year, and I'm literally obsessed. I'm not unfamiliar with the Camille Rose brand. I absolutely love her Moisture Milk, and I love her Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. Those are staples in my hair regimen, and I don't know what took me so long to actually pick this guy up, but this guy is so good. It is the perfect combination to this. I have just been twisting my hair up and leaving my hair twisted with just these two products, and literally I've gone a whole week, and my hair is moisturized and it's soft. Guys, my hair is, I wish you could feel my hair through the screen, because literally, like, this combination is amazing. But organic mango fruit extract, organic slippery elm, organic marshmallow root. This one has honey, organic olive fruit oil, castor oil, aloe leaf juice. I mean, literally, like, and you know, with any product, the first 5 ingredients are what's most in the product. And what's most in these products are ingredients that you can pronounce, that are good for your hair. I mean, literally, like, you just really can't go wrong. And when you have such natural and organic and really good ingredients in your products, you achieve amazing results. So I'm definitely obsessed with these two. I'm obsessed with the creators, and I just, guys, pick this up, pair these two together if you haven't, and I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay, guys, and last but certainly not least, I went in to seal all the goodness in with the Mael pomegranate and honey coil sculpting custard. And this was created by Monique Rodriguez. I'm sure you've all, of course, heard of all of these 3 brands, and especially this brand as well. This product is crazy good. It says that it's going to give me deep definition, and as you saw, look at this definition. Like, look at this definition. Look at this. I mean, it did not disappoint. These products together, I mean, the moisture is just literally insane. Guys, literally, if you have not tried this, literally, you have to try this product this summer. It gives me, this is probably like one of the best gels besides the Camille Rose Curl Maker gel that I've ever used. This is always in my arsenal. I use it for my slick back ponytails. I use it for my wash and goes with the twist. It adds a crazy amount of shine and definition. It keeps my hair from getting frizzy. It doesn't make my hair hard at all. I don't get that gel cast. I just get soft, beautiful curls, and it allows my 2 favorite leave-ins to lock in the moisture of these leave-ins. This has its own moisture as well, and like I said, these 3 products together are just amazing. These are my go-to products. This is my go-to combination, especially for the spring and summer. If you try out this combination, if you try out my wash and go with the twist technique, definitely come back, comment down below, let me know how the products work for you, let me know how my technique works for you. Try it out, you know, especially if you're someone that don't have time to shingle, but you have time to do a few quick twists, do your makeup or finish getting dressed, and then come back and add the gel. Try it out, guys, and come back and let me know how everything worked out for you, the technique, the products. I would love to know. I'm literally obsessed, like I said, with these creators. I'm obsessed with these brands. I'm obsessed with these products, and I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead and let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe for more, and I promise I will see you very, very soon in my next upload. Bye, guys.